Yeah.
You already know how far I wanna go. So why you wasting time when we could just let it flow? Take this to a place the unknown only knows. Do you see the strap connected from my heels to my clothes? Wanna give you every part of me. Can we keep it fresh and stay with the flow? Want you to double tap it now, hit it slow. I'm gripping the bed, got you all